are you? Everyone thinks they know who they are. Scots-Irish, African, maybe Asian or Native American. But genealogy can only get you back so far. You can research records and maybe learn more about who your family is and where they all came from. But if you're lucky, the paper trail goes back maybe a couple hundred years. Then the trail goes cold. But the human lineage goes back around 200,000 years to one person on your mother's side and also to one person on your father's side that we're all related to. How can you get there? The answer is you can't, unless you look at your DNA. Your DNA contains a roadmap all the way back through time to those common ancestors. It's as if they were dropping breadcrumbs on your DNA to let you find your way back home. Your own DNA tells an incredible story of how your ancestors embarked on an epic journey that populated the Earth. So how can you see your DNA and discover your own family saga? It sounds complicated, but it's actually pretty straightforward. About 7 years ago, National Geographic started something we call the Genografic Project. Our mission is to look at the DNA of as many people as possible from around the world to solve the riddle of who we are and how we're all related to each other. So far, more than 500,000 people have participated. You can too. Your Genographic kit explains it all. And it also comes with a little brush called a swab. All you need to do is brush the inside of your mouth. This collects some cells from inside your cheek, and those cells contain DNA. Send the swab back to us. A few weeks later, you'll get the answers on our website, like what genetic lineage you belong to, where your ancestors originated, where they went, the amazing story of your ancient family line. It'll even tell you what fraction of your DNA is from what part of the world. European, African, Asian, Australian, Native American, and so on. We'll even be able to tell you what percent Neanderthal you are. The answers might really surprise you, and I bet they'll make you think a little differently about who you are, where you came from, and how you're related to everyone else in the world. Welcome to the journey of a lifetime, of billions of lifetimes, the human journey.